What's up, guys? Welcome to this market analysis video. Guys, Bitcoin pumped exactly as predicted. Guys, if you are new to this channel or you are just joining us for this first time, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. We share market analysis, we talk about crypto, forex, we talk about making money online on this channel. So if you like this type of content, this channel, this community is definitely for you. And also don't forget to join our Telegram group and also our WhatsApp group, links below this video. Guys, let's head over to the chat and see what next is going to happen. Now, if you doubt this analysis, please make sure to check our previous video where we talked about the Bitcoin chart analysis and see how we predicted this move and how it happened exactly as predicted. Now, if we go to the Bitcoin chart, we'll see that this trade right here is a trade that I have been talking about for like almost 2 weeks, and I told you guys that when we see Bitcoin, not if, but when we see Bitcoin drop down to 21,600, that I'm going to long the market like it is nobody's business. If you are in our WhatsApp group, you will know that I use this exact words. I will long Bitcoin at 21,600 like it is nobody's business. And guys, I did that. I did share a couple of the profits screenshots on our Telegram channel, so you want to join our Telegram too, because I also share trades from time to time. Okay, we also took some BNB trade which also made us quite a lot of money, but this Bitcoin trade was just phenomenal. So guys, what actually happened was that I told you guys that we are going to see a break of this flip zone right here, then we're going to come down over here, create some kind of double bottom or kind of rejection, then we'll see ourselves moving upwards. Now the initial target was actually somewhere around this area, which was actually where I closed the trade, which was around 22,900, 23k. But guys, as you can see, Bitcoin surprised us, though it did move in our favor. So this trade closed in profit, and that is the market for you. You have to take what the market gives you. You can never tell where it's going to end or what it's going to start from, but you can always take what the market gives you. So this trade made us money. For if you took this trade, congratulations. If you took it, please drop the comment below this video and tell us how much you made from this trade and this analysis. Now the question now is, where are we heading next? Now for me, like I always say and I keep saying, let me go to the 4-hour time frame and see what is happening in the Bitcoin charts. Now in the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to remove this because this has done its job. In the 4-hour time frame, we'll see this sharp move upwards. Now remember, nothing goes up in a straight line, so we are going to expect some kind of consolidation before we move upward. But there's one good thing that happened right here, and the good thing is that if you remove the noise from the markets and turn this to a line chart, you will see that this is actually a new high. Okay, this was the previous highs right here, this double top that led to this whole drop right here. Then we've created a new high all the way around 24,300. So what will normally happen in this case is that we are going to see some kind of rejection. Okay, because like I told you, this area right here, 25k, between 24,500 and 25k, this is actually the key to the bull run. This is where, I repeat again in this video, this is where most people lost their hope when we broke below this level, and this is actually where those same people are going to come back into crypto once we break above 25k. So the day we break above 25k, you're going to see a lot of people saying, oh, do you have USDT? I want to buy, and that is just going to be a first sign of the bull run. That doesn't mean that the bull run has started, but that will be the first signal that we are definitely getting out of the bear market and moving towards the next stage of the market cycle. So what I'm waiting to see right here is a kind of retest, okay, of this level. It should be around 20. I'm looking at this level right here. Will not want to go far, but because of this volatility over here, I'm looking around 22,900. We're going to see something like this. Okay, a kind of retest to around this area, then we'll consolidate a little bit before we'll try to break above this. Okay, technically this is what should happen. So but currently I will not advise you to start placing long trades at this level. If you did not take this trade, well, you need to do two things. First of all, you need to subscribe to this channel so that you keep yourself updated. Then secondly, you need to wait to see some form of retracement. Now, if we are to do the retracement, to take our Fibonacci retracement 2, that will measure from this area, this level. Let's assume this is the top. Let's assume we don't pump up further above 24,300. Then for me, I will be looking at, just like I said, around 22,900, which is around this area right here. This is where I'm going to be looking at to see if we are going to see some kind of maybe another long opportunity. So that's basically what I'm going to do, around 22,900, between 22,900 and 22,800. This is what I'm going to be looking at to see, waiting for the retracements if there's going to be any. So that is basically what I'm expecting in BTC. Now, for those trading Forex like myself, guys, Forex this week has been awesome. I've been killing it, and it did exactly what I told you guys in our previous videos. Guys, I keep talking about our previous videos, and I told you guys that the analysis did not change. If you're in our WhatsApp group, you will see that I kept saying that. So we did not need any new updates because the market was playing according to what we already had in our video. So make sure to join our WhatsApp group. Now you will see right here, let's go to the 2-hour time frame. What is happening in GBP USD right now? Let me check let's do a top-down analysis. Let's go to the daily time frame. We'll see that this uptrend that I've been talking to you guys about for some time now, this uptrend right here, you see that we broke this uptrend. Yesterday we went back to retest this uptrend, took some trade there, then also shorted it yesterday. Then recently this evening I took some trade on GBP USD because I'm expecting GBP USD or GU to go back to retest 1.21 right here, okay, before we continue downwards. I still believe we're going to go back down to test this level, like I told you guys in some of our videos, to test this level, because if you look at the daily time frame, you will see that there's a kind of double top that is trying to form right here. Now, for this double top to be complete, we need this price to come back down, and test these levels right here. We need the price to come back down and test this level right here, okay, before we can now confirm if we are going to bounce or if we are going to go down. So that is what is going to happen on the long run, break out, retest, then come down and test this level. So but before that will happen, in the meantime, like if you go to the 2-hour time frame, we are going to see some pump up to this level. I already took this trade. I wish I can show you guys this trade on my phone right now. I already took this trade right here because we met this other block right here. So we are going up back to this level, and this is where I'm going to be waiting. This is where I'm going to be waiting for a I will close the trade over here. I'm going to close the trade. As you can see, this is going to be my target, okay, but I'm going to wait to see a reaction, maybe create a double top or a rising wedge or something like that right here, a descending channel, or just a bearish reversal pattern or candle formation. Then I will now short this all the way down to this level. So that is what I'm looking at in GBP USD. Now let's look at the DXY, which is the mover and the shaker of the entire market. Remember I told you guys something about DXY. I told you that there is a target somewhere in this box, and this box right here is very crucial. Now we are currently consolidating inside this box. A break above this is going to see a break above this box right here, okay, hitting 105, sorry, is going to make Bitcoin retrace, okay, to that 22,900 I talked about. Then a break below this level is going to make Bitcoin continue to pump. So but I don't likely see this happening. Instead, I see DXY pushing all the way up to 105, then maybe creating a kind of retracement or correction in USD pairs like Bitcoin and GBP USD and the whole rest of them. So that is what I'm looking at in the markets, and that is what I think is going to happen in the coming days. Guys, if you love this analysis, please do yourself a favor and also do me a favor, do the community a favor. Subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing. Subscribe, turn on notification button, like the video, share the video, comment below this video. Let's get this community going. Guys, till next time, it is God bless.